the way to find your future is to find your future self faster. Okay, so I want to take some time and talk about the repeat year cycle, because the group that actually is the most at risk to feeling stuck and getting discouraged are leaders. And it's for good reason, right? It's because you're the ones dreaming big, going hard, and calling everyone to join you in that story. And then days turn into decades and you're wondering what's going on. There's a life principle in the Bible. It says, hope deferred makes the heart sick. And if you ever get in that situation, it's very hard to come out of just externally. You need to realize that the way to find your future is to find your future self faster. So how are you going to show up differently this year? That's an inside job. That's not just scanning the horizon around us. That's about being willing to humble ourselves and go on a transformational journey. That's why I want to invite you to check out Pioneer of the Year. It's my leadership community, and it'll give you 12-month access to the course and all the expansion content that comes throughout the year. And then you get the invitation that no one else will get access to join group coaching. So check it out. There is an amazing incentive for those who are early adopters. Early enrollment starts Thanksgiving, and you get $100 off. I am so excited about sharing this leadership journey with you and going through all of this stuff that has been changing my life as a leader, and now stuff that I get to work on with others in my executive coaching. So join Pioneer of the Year. You can go to the link below or peterbirchville.com, and let's make this your year to pioneer.